In this video, I am going to show you how to add a bank account on Payoneer. Log in into your Payoneer account. Click on Banks and Cards from the sidebar. Click on the Add Bank Account. Remember that you can add up to 2 local bank accounts on Payoneer. Choose your bank account type, whether it's personal or business. Select your bank account currency and click on the Next button. Enter your bank name. In the account holder name, enter your bank account name. Account name is your bank account title. Mostly it's your official name or company name. Enter the IBAN of your bank account number. IBAN stands for International Bank Account Number, used for international transactions. Tick the I agree to the terms and conditions button and tick the I confirm the bank account details above. And when you're done, click on the Next button. Confirm your Payoneer account details like the date of birth information and enter your Payoneer password. Finally, click on the Add Bank Account and you have successfully added your local bank account on Payoneer. Now Payoneer will verify your local bank account details and link it to your Payoneer account. The account approval usually takes up to 30 minutes. Once it is approved, you will also get an email. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,